This video will cover lesson 3-4, starting a new journal page. The objectives, we're going to demonstrate when to end and how to start a new journal page, and identify correcting errors using standard accounting practices. So when you complete a journal page, usually when you have no more lines available for both lines of the transaction. So this one kind of happened to end where the last transaction line was on the last line of the journal page. You would start a new one. But if there was one line left, you would go to the next page. Do not split a transaction. So all you do is you just kind of end there. When you go to the next page, you basically just write the new page number at the top of the page. You'll start the date over again, just like you did on the first line of the last page. You'll write the full date and go on with your transactions. Now, to correct errors in a journal, sometimes the entire journal entry is incorrect, and you discover that before you journalize, before the next entry is journalized. Basically, you just draw neat lines through every part of the transaction. You go down to the next line and start the transaction over again. Now, if an error is recorded, you cancel the error by neatly drawing a line through the incorrect item and write the correct item directly above it. So in this case, what would happen is we slid the transaction. That just kind of means we moved it one place to the left or to the right. Just draw a single line through it, write the new number above it. Same thing here. All right, sometimes several correct entries are recorded after an incorrect entry is made. The next blank lines are several entries later. Again, draw neat lines through incorrect parts of the entry, record and correct the items on the same line as the incorrect entries. Okay, so here if we look at line 16, again, we slid this and went the wrong way. We just draw a single line through it and write the new line above it.